What's up, y'all? So today I've got some baby chicken tips for whenever you're buying baby chickens. I got an old farmer's trick on how to sex your chickens, so we'll see if that works. So make sure to, follow and comment to see if you think this is actually something real or not. But I'm tired of getting a ton of roosters, so let's see if we can, stop that before it happens some more. So here's little babies. There's Henrietta. Henrietta's laying me some little low butt nuggets. And shut your face. So let's test this out. So whenever you go to buy baby chickens, you're gonna have what's called pullets. Pullets are sex chickens. The yellowish chickens back there are Rhode Island Reds, and the black ones are Barred Rocks. And I love the coloring on the Barred Rocks, and the Rhode Island Reds are just great chickens. So the Rhode Island Reds were pullets. So let's test this. The tip is, if you can lay them on their back and they don't really fight you, they're females. But whenever you pick them up, if they keep fighting and get up, then they're males. So far, come on, baby chick. Come on, get out of there. Get out. Oh, good Lord. Oh, there we go. So it looks like both the Barred Rocks are females. That will be amazing. Now let's try the Reds. These were, again, the pullets. I gotta clean your butt. And this one's fighting. Well, never mind, calm down. But that one was fighting pretty good. Oh, this one calmed down. Apparently, if they fight and get up practically immediately, then they are males. So it looks like all of these little babies are going to be females, and that will be fantastic, because my last batch, I had 5 males, and I don't want that anymore. Gorgeous males, but having to get rid of... Shut your beak! Having to get rid of, 4 other males, because you only want, 1 male to at least 10 females. So, it was a cold night last night, so the water's a little bit frozen. I'm gonna need to get some hot water to pour in there. And I'm about to show you a trick to make these roosters shut up. So what you can do is, they have little collars for roosters. It's like Velcro and a little bit of elastic. And you just put it around their neck. Not extremely tight, You don't want to make them stop crowing forever. But it works. I've tried it before, and it makes them sound pathetic, but it's better than that. But he is getting so big. I'm loving his colors. Hey there, girls. Hey there. Yep. So, I can't get the eggs yet. I can get these eggs though. So these are just cat litter containers, and I just cut the bigger part off, and then I got these little mats for it. Put a little straw in it to make it look comfortable for them. And so I'm just gonna go get some warm water to fill up their water with, and then I'm gonna pick their eggs up. But yeah, so from our old farm's tale, we have all females, and that is absolutely fantastic. Don't you dare follow after me, big boy. Don't you do it. Step up to me. Keep clucking. So I need help thinking for a name for my rooster. So if you all want to comment and help me think of names, I'm thinking, Rocky's just, too common. But maybe Coxzilla. Maybe Stir Fry. I kind of like Stir Fry because he's getting real close. But yeah, so I'm gonna get warm. I'm gonna get these chickens some nice warm water. And again, follow me to see if those tips are actually true or if I'm gonna have to get rid of a bunch more roosters. So, y'all have a great day now. Bye bye.